how was the training? 2 days of training, professional Scrum Master. How was it?
It's very nice.
It was
What
amazing.
we heard and what we learned is so totally different, and we learn the difference between what is what. Here it actually the session before we thought that why we had to get at the test session directly go to the exam, but now it is mandatory having such a mentor, I can say, not facilitator, mentor, I can say, to guide.
Thank you so much. And you brought a lovely point, Vamsi. We generally advise people to please attend the PSM class because there's so much beyond what is written in the Scrum Guide. Well, thank you, Vamsi, for sharing that lovely insight. Anyone else wants to share your class experience? We will be glad. Yes, Janvi.
Yeah, it was actually a wonderful session. I mean, we were under impression that's like Scrum Guide is very small, so it will be like quickly finished. And he has explained so well and in detail. I mean, actually, concepts are clear now. Thank you
Right.
so much.
Thanks, Janvi, for sharing that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hi, this is Suparna. So I just wanted to share like the concept of Scrum, what I had since a long time in IT industry. So right now the concept was totally wrong from my side actually. So it got a clear picture and what it actually does, that I got the full picture here in this training. So really thanks. So I was actually having zero idea of Scrum. Now I understood.
and just to tell you, concepts were not entirely wrong. Many of you knew quite a few things, but maybe some rough edges were there that we tried to clear, isn't it? And thanks for active participation, Suparna and everybody. I think you all really participated very actively throughout the session. Thank you, Suparna. Yes, Nidhi.
Yeah, so I've already started applying Scrum. One, in my daily life, I've started empowering my kids. And second thing, yeah, I mean, I did not have much of knowledge of Scrum, but used to hear a few things here and there from my husband, and now I can confidently tell him, counter him, that this is where you are wrong, and maybe you need to. So I've started practicing Scrum basically. That is what.
No, that's very good. Yeah, thank you so much. Applying Scrum in personal life is also positive. Thank you, Nidhi, for that. Yes, Megha, how was the
Yeah,
class?
class is really nice. I really wanted to thank you for such an interactive session because mostly, like when we started, it was like, 2 full day training, but like these 2 days, how it gone, it was really nice. And yeah, overall, earlier we used to we heard about the Scrum, but now we understood what Scrum is. So
2 days are gone. I have Champions Trophy final. Oh man, thanks. I just realized. Thank you, Megha, for that. Thank you. Is there any other person who wants to add a couple of things? If not, I'll pass it over to you, Dipti.
Thank you so much.
Chandrasekhar is there. Yes, Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, I just want to tell you that the training session was well structured, and especially I appreciate the real world example which you shared was very special for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandrasekhar, and thanks for participating actively in this class. Thank you. Yes, Pranil.
Yeah, so I would say that we got a better idea about this concept, and practicing it more will make us perfect about this. So now we know in which direction and how to practice Scrum.
Yeah. Thank you. And I hope the simulation of Scrum, by the way, we use Scrum in this class to learn Scrum with the boards and all. How was that? Was that useful for you to visualize Scrum and its simplicity?
That is what my point was,
Yes.
that you were so precise. You were so precise, and the training was so on point. We didn't get off the topic, and things were so precise and written, and everything was so transparent in front of us that we are doing this, and they were most of the things that you mentioned were done absolutely the way you told me. So I think this is one of the best things that I'm learning as a coach also from you, that this is how, because I am into that thing. So I've learned this also, that how being appropriate and to the point is very important. This is one of the greatest learning for me.
Thank
You
you
should
for
say it's a mentoring more than training.
Yeah, that's what I said is a mentoring. And for the long session, such a long time, from morning to evening, some of the trainings we got bored. But Vineet, make us very not boring. What is the next topic whether we can learn? It's very interactive, and so that's why I'm saying you mentor.
Well,
अरे मैं तो
thank you, everyone.
ITL ट्रेनिंग देते देते मैं खुद सो जाता था.
Well, I will try this in my next batch. Quick nap. But by the way, thank you so much for your kind words. We are available to you. Although, as I said, sometimes I am late to respond to the messages. So if there is really something urgent, drop a message to Dipti. I hope Dipti is okay with that, and
Yes,
she will.
yes.
She will tell me because when I'm in my sessions, you might have seen, right, 2 days I did not even check my phone. So that's the idea. If all the best for your preparation, you have enough material. Dipti will help you how to prepare further. Otherwise, just reach out to Dipti or maybe text me directly, and I'll be happy to have a chat with you. All right. Well, do I have your permission to leave the session then, or is there any other question that I can help you with? Because Dipti will be keen to take over the
No,
remaining
thank
part.
you so much. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for your
Thank you
time.
so much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Vineet.